Welcome back to my Star Technology run, where I will be only using the crate logistics to play through the pack and avoid using Applied Energistics. As you can see here, a few more stuff than after the end of the last episode. The thing is, I just streamed for 30 minutes and didn't realize until after 30 minutes that my microphone wasn't turned on. So, what did I do? Basically, I created this main storage chest, the colossal chest, copper chest, and connected the frog ports and packages. And here also some frog ports. So, first thing, this packager here is connected to the chest interface and acts as the main storage supplier. So this one is set to only send packages and connected to StockLink. And this one here is connected to the interface and is the return frog port. I built it like this because in my test run until the HV8, I got a problem that when there was a lot of items incoming to the main chest from graphic machines and the crate machines, the frog ports, or the one frog port I had connected, was too slow to get all the packages back into the chest. So later on I had 4 of these connected to chests which were connected to the packages that put the items in the chest. That's this setup. And items go back to this main return because on the output of these contraptions are packages that are labeled main return with a signboard, and a lever is switched to on. So this packager is always taking items from the barrels here and sending the items back to the main storage. I can just put, for example, this one in here. As you can see, it goes around and is put back into the main storage. Same here. This one is connected to the crafters and the mechanical press. Then, next step, I named a few of these. So this one is the crate smelter. It's a crate smelter because we will have a GregTech smelter as well. So that's why I put crate there. Same for the bender. So we have a crate bender and a GregTech bender. And this one is just the crafter, the mechanical crafter. Then I started building this automation wall for the factory gauges, and then I realized the microphone was not turned on. So that's basically all. And this clipboard here, if you write the name of a frog port, like so, then it is easier to choose it here instead of always typing crafter again, for example. Alright, so I was just planning to put some iron in the storage to see if this crafting of nuggets is working. So, iron. It should trigger this. And being... Ah! I forgot... No. I did not forget the repackager. Where is... Or did I forget the repackager? Maybe I forgot. Okay, one moment. And out of cardboard, of course. But I set up this thing here last episode. And of course there were no saplings anymore inside. Oh. Yeah. The first obsidian is going to be used for making the void upgrade. For now I should maybe put... Oh, this much. Okay. Okay, I will actually just turn off the machine. Yeah, as I said in the last episode, we will have enough wood for the entire run with this farm. Probably. Okay, I need to wait a bit for getting the pulp. Huh? What was that? Oh, the problem is right now. What I just forgot to explain. So, in my playthrough before, I got a problem that many of the promises were not being fulfilled. Even I had the items and everything ready. So I don't know what the problem was exactly, but I just solved it by set the expiration timer to 1 minute, for example. And then they would just restart the request after some time. Right now, of course, it's not fulfilling the promises because the packager is... the repackager is not built here. But anyway, I will just let these being in here and then let them craft all. Because I need a lot of nuggets anyway. Okay. And packager. And the repackager is done like this. And connect. But now none of these have to be repacked. This should go here and there. Oh yes. They work in parallel. Very fast crafting. And this one is now green. So let's get some underside. And the next step is... and for normal crafting recipes, just click this symbol after connecting the gauges, and it will automatically put this recipe for the items connected. And here also a minute, and then maybe like 32 is enough. So if, for example, now the iron nuggets and the andesite would be coming from 2 different locations, the repackager would need to repack both of these packages into one package before putting them inside the crafter, because otherwise the crafter cannot make the item. Alright, 32 andesite hours. Next step is using these andesite alloys and making the shafts. These are here. Connect them. Recipe, go to the crafter. Set it to 1 minute. Maybe make like 32 shafts. Then next thing, the cogwheels. So for these we need the planks. So we need logs that are made to planks, and we can already make we need barrels anyway, so we can also make the slabs already. So from the planks, the slabs. And then here maybe the both of the cogwheels. Logs and planks. I think this is also, yeah. Then so, and then cogwheels. Like this, this. Rafter. 1 minute, make like a stack. 2 stacks, 2 stacks of wood. We have definitely enough logs for that now. And also make a stack of, not a stack, but like 30. And let's say 8 of each. First, the recipe. Make 8 of this one. Recipe. Then make 8 of this. Okay. You can imagine now that now it's like maybe 5-6 crafting processes, but later it's gonna be 50-60. So, and as you can see how busy the main line here is already, we are going to need more frog pods here to accept items. Okay. Next step for the... Okay, these two we have. This one we have. Andesite as well. Precision mechanism. We should have everything for that. The gold plates. Okay, let's put the gold ingots in here. First we need some gold plates anyway. Because I need to make more precision mechanisms to craft more factory gauges. And I'm gonna take the cogwheels out of here and put them here. I should actually, I don't know. After I'm done here, I'm gonna transfer all of the storage. Okay, 4. Okay, no more copper plates. Copper is not enough. So... maybe some iron as well. The gold and even more copper. Okay. Ah. Then make stock links. I just make this many now. I should make another wall because I want to separate the bending and smelting to different walls. Let's say here is the smelting area. Then here's the bending area. And also I need to put the, I think, create smelter, create bender, yeah, are the names. Smelter, create bender. The clipboard can be in almost any location here. The range is quite high for these to get the name from the clipboard. Then to craft these here, I need to smelt copper and bend them as well into the copper plates. So first I will make, I will craft a signboard to, signs, not signboard, to write down where's one. This one is just a normal craft, I'm not gonna write anything here, but this one is the smelter, and here we have metal bending, copper ingots become copper plates, and that goes to the create bender, and I'm already going to define small batch processing. And let's say I always want 10 plates. Okay, this should go here. 3, 4, 5. So we should get the 10. Then, next step. We have the copper ingots that make the lightning rods, plus the plates and redstone. Plate and the redstone. These are going to make lightning rods. Already out of factory gauges. That's why the first thing here I'm making are factory gauges, because yeah, we will need tons of these. Crafter. Make like 4. Then yeah, I need to wait or craft few manually here. Then I think I was out of walls as well. Iron plates probably. Yeah. Or iron ingots already. But I think I put some iron dust here. Oh, I thought so at least. Then, Okay, I think I actually need to smelt some more ores. Is this one no, this one is not running again. Why? Ah, yeah. Here's the iron dust. But anyway. Okay, I just smelt ore. What else? We need that. Oh, yeah, right. Precision mechanism. Maybe just one. So we need more of this. Oh, what is happening? Gold ingots are not in the filter. Wait. Maybe that's why the iron didn't arrive before. But okay. I needed plates, I think, for... yeah. Just make 45. Okay, some storage links. And factory gauges. Okay, next thing. First thing is always connect to the stop link. Then this one is this. We need the rod. This and that can be crafted. The crafter or as well. Then we need barrels, which are made from... oh no, I have it here already. Which are made from these and that. The crafter barrels, I'm gonna make a few more because I'm gonna use them for the packager like this anyway. Then... oh no, redstone. Then we need metal plates, iron plates I mean, to make the walls. Why? Oh no, they're making, okay. Because this is, yeah, crafting right now. 5. Okay, that should start as well, yep. Then metal plates I just put here. The wart goes here. Then combine the barrel with the metal plates to get the wart in the crafter. These I don't need so many, like 3 maybe. small buffer. Then I need more. Actually, if I make 4 of these, I should make 4 of these, then it's fine. Good thing is now I can just take the items out of here and continue the craft manually. Except the... of course the precision mechanism as well. Like this. Bucklings. And the gauges. Okay, we need the precision mechanism. Then the stocklings. And finally the gauges. So this one stockling, this one the mechanism, crafter I make here, I make like 3, precision mechanism can also be 3. Nuggets. And the gold plate. I just put it here. No gold plates, so of course I also need to make the gold plates. No. Like this. And make like 10 of these as well. Then, yeah, gold plate here. The crafter, make 3. And then combine these two to make factory gauges. And 1 recipe makes 2, yeah. They actually recognize that, okay. 10. Okay. That is the first basic automation done. For factory gauges. Okay, I will now go and transfer most of the items into the main storage. Maybe some wood I'm going to leave. Ah no, the copper chest has more than enough space. Yeah. And anyway, I'm going to expand this one to 4x4. everything crafted. Yes, 10 factory gauges. And that was very fast. And at this stage of the game, I'm like still in the early game. I have not even built any LV machine hull. I have built, but yeah, I'm not really in the LV age. So doing this kind of process with applied energetics is still like not even possible, but we already have this automation up and running. So I think the crate logistics system is actually quite good. Okay, then get this one. Connect. Okay.